Hi, this is Nancy Brom with the Real Estate Market Update for the first half 2016 for Bellingham and Whatcom County, Washington. We're going to start down the coast. King County, this is where Seattle is. The green bars here are the active listings currently on the market. The dark blue bars are the closed sales, and this red line are the pending sales. So you can see last year they had 3,500 on the market. This year they have 3,241. So that's about a 300 decrease in inventory. Yet the sales last year were 2,800 and this year they're over 3,100. Snohomish County, that's where Everett is, walking up the coast, they have a lot more green showing, but their inventory is still coming down quite rapidly or continually. 1,961 last year, 1,495 this year. And look at the pending sale line. They were selling about 1,100 a month. Now they're up to 1,400. So they're going to keep depleting that inventory. Skagit County, which is next, that's where Mount Vernon is. They have a little bit more inventory, but they're also coming down from 606 to 514. And their sales now are in the 200s for the last 4 months, where last year they were under 200. Here's Whatcom County, Bellingham, and you can see that we had a little over 1,000 listings last year. Now we have 876 residential listings in all of Whatcom County. And our pending sales are a little bit higher, and our sales are just a little bit higher. This shows months of inventory, and remember 6 months is considered a balanced market. King County, they went from 1.2 to 1.1 months of inventory, and at the end of the year they dropped below 1 month of inventory. Snohomish County, 1.7 down to 1.3. Skagit, 3.1 to 2.4. And Whatcom, 3.5 to 2.7. This is the first month that Skagit County has less inventory than Whatcom County does. This shows months of inventory quarterly for the past 7 years. And you can see it just is falling off, falling off, falling off. And in this last quarter, it's taken a dive. Bellingham follows about the same one. It hasn't dropped off at this last quarter as much, but I think that's just we have so little inventory, you can't drop off much. This is just to show you what normal plottings of real estate sales look like. It's a little bit hard to read. This one is moving averages, and so moving average takes 4 quarters, averages them, and make one point. The next point you drop off the oldest, bring on the newest, average it again. So it smooths it out so you have a better idea of trend. We've seen this one before. This shows the top of the market, 3rd quarter 2007. The blue is average sold price for single-family residents in Bellingham. The red is the median sale price. Here was the bottom, 1st quarter 2012. We had a pretty dang good run-up right off the bottom. Now we haven't looked at this for 4 quarters, so here we go. Ba-boom! Almost vertical. Now the median price range has more relevance, and look at this thing. So we've had 7-month run-up. This shows where we are compared to the top of the market. So you can see we've surpassed that about 3 quarters ago. Same on the average. So if you bought your house at the top of the market for $370,000, it's worth about $400 now. Here's Bellingham. We've gone from 307 listings last year to 240, and let me tell you, 307 was we've been complaining for a couple years now. Our pending sales are still going up. Our sales are almost exactly the same, 115 to 114. This shows the months of inventory in Bellingham. We've dropped from 2.7 months to 2.1. We were down under 2, and we haven't been over 3 all year long. Remember, 6 months is a balanced market. Median sale price last year was $335. This year, $378. That's a 12.9% change. Average shows $370 to $422, 14.2 change. Here's our condos. In Bellingham, last year it was $180. This year it's $180. We have not seen one increase. Whatcom County, we've actually seen a little bit of a decrease. So condos have just not really made the turn yet. Last year we sold 30 houses over $1 million in 2015. This year, halfway through the year, we've sold 11. So we'll probably pick it up. And most of these are like 1.1, 1.2. New construction, you can see that the average sold price this year is $452. Last year, $392. That's up 15%. Median price, $437 to $372. That's up 17.5%. Our average price per square foot is $214. Whatcom County new construction sold $380 last year, $339. That's up 12%. Median $358, 330, up 8.5%, and their average price is $192 per square foot. Multifamily, you can see green bars are active listings. We have 26 active multifamily listings in all of Whatcom County, and we had a whopping listing month because last month we were only 15. But you can see we're not making a ton of sales. 9, 11, 4, 6. Pending sales are all over the board. This is multifamily in Bellingham. There's only 11 properties in all of Bellingham. Here's our vacant land. We've finally dropped under 1,000 on the market, but you can see that we've got 51 sales this month. We've got 800 properties on the market. But I'm happy to say we're down to just a mere 15 and a half months of inventory. It wasn't that long ago that this number was 56. This is an interesting chart. The green line shows the average list price of vacant land. The red line shows the average sale price of vacant land. This doesn't mean that we're selling the 300 listings for 114. It means the sellers are up here, but the buyers are just buying in the low 100s. Commercial. Last year we had 22 sales. This year we've had 31. Our average sale price was $700 and our median sale price is $409, and that's really a better indicator of value is the $409. Last year the median was $282 and the average was $441, so we're definitely making some higher sales in commercial. That's it for now. Check back for the year-end statistics in mid-January 2017. Have a great day.